5821 Starfish Bay. Close of escrow walkthrough. One of the repair items was to fix these window locks. They're working just fine. I'll come back in for those. Oh. These were functioning as well. I'll close that. Carpet looks good. This close of escrow walkthrough, like all others, is not looking for dings or scratches or things like that. We're looking for major damage, missing appliances, anything that could potentially hold up close of escrow. I did test the water. The utilities are still on. The gas is still on. Water heater is still working. Yep, it's still hot. Gas is on. And the pavers were finished, which is great. That's it.